Need pricing at 100, 250, and 500 units? That used to mean a separate quote for each quantity and a lot of back and forth. Not anymore. I'm Hero. Let's fix that. This is multi-quantity quoting. Instead of submitting separate quotes for every volume across multiple email threads, you can now click the multi-quantity icon to compare up to 5 quantity tiers side by side in a single quote. Get instant unit pricing and quantity-based savings for all auto-quoted parts. Got parts that need manual review? Request every quantity in one streamlined RFQ so you can compare pricing with optimized finishing and post-processing costs at higher volumes. One request, every quantity, a simpler quoting experience. Once your request is submitted, pricing will be returned as soon as your quote is ready. Pro tip, identify better pricing at higher volumes for your next production order. Try multi-quantity quoting on your next order. See you next episode.